Hi everyone, I'm Aura Parker. I'm an author and illustrator of kids books. I wanted to say hello because I'm in lockdown here in Sydney and I'm trying to cheer myself up, so I thought this might cheer you guys up too. Thought I'd read you a story, Meerkat Splash. It was a CBCA notable book as well as the Speech Pathology Book of the Year book for 2020 for birth to 3 years. All right. Meerkat Splash by Aura Parker. For Dougal, who fills life with laughter and colour and looks a bit like a meerkat. Scratching, digging, down, down, down. Meerkat red, who have you found? Meerkat green and meerkat blue. Bath time now for all of you. One by one they quickly zoom. In the bath, there's not much room. Meerkats cleaning, washing, woo! Slipping, sliding, swimming too. Back float, star float, up and back. Stroke by stroke goes meerkat black. Whirling, twirling, round they spin. Dancing orange meerkat twins. Watch out, here comes meerkat brown. Flipping, smiling, gliding down. Boogie boarding meerkat white, racing, chasing, hold on tight. Can you smell a stinky stink? Bath time quick for meerkat pink. Soaping, scrubbing, wash, wash, wash. In the bathtub, squash, squash, squash. Meerkat yellow sails her boat. Upside down, it flips and floats. Meerkat purple softly sneaks. Rubber ducky squeaks and squeaks. Meerkats cleaning, washing, woo! Slipping, sliding, swimming too. Water splashing on the ground. Meerkats splish and splosh around. Whirling, swirling meerkat pups. Water rising up, up, up. Why that cheeky meerkat grin? Did you put more bubbles in? Where is little meerkat blue? Did he use too much shampoo? I think so. With meerkat blue. Bubbles flowing out the door. Can the bathtub squeeze one more? Look, another meerkat pup. Bouncing, springing, warming up. Rainbow meerkat leaps and soars, stretching coloured meerkat paws, flying, looping, she can't stop. Oops. A meerkat belly flop, splash. Meerkats on the bathroom floor, giggling, laughing, wanting more. All the colours love to splash. Bedtime meerkats, off you dash. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you all stay safe and well. Bye. Meerkat Splash by Aura Parker is published by Puffin Books. More about Aura at www.illustrated.com.au.